Good morning, MK Beauties. Welcome back to Vlogmas. I am Melanie, the creator and owner of Majestic Knowing Beauty. If you are here for the first time, welcome. Please stick around. Go ahead, join the MK Beauty community by clicking subscribe, liking, and commenting, letting me know that you are a first-time subscriber and watcher. At any rate, welcome back to Vlogmas, those of you who are returning. It is a wet, rainy, warm day in Georgia. I just made some coffee, so I'm sipping on my coffee, but I just wanted to touch bases and say hello, good morning, welcome, all of the things. So happy and glad to have you here. Today is going to be another day where I just kind of focus on the week ahead. I have a wedding. I booked a wedding, so I have a wedding this coming Saturday. So I am in preparation for my wedding. I have 4 clients that I have to service, including the bride. And, you know, I just need to get in my mental space. I need to make sure I have everything prepared in my kit, which my kit is already packed and prepared, but I just want to make sure I have all of the necessary essentials that I need to execute this wedding. I do need to clean my brushes, so I may clean brushes today with you. And the most important thing, I need to get my beauty room together. My beauty room is a hot mess. Since all of the shenanigans that we had take place the weekend, my room is in total chaos and I need to get it together. So I am going to go upstairs and get my room together. And yeah, I probably will also do a few things on the computer that I need to complete for today. And that's probably all that we will have going on today for this day of Vlogmas. This is now what, day 9, I believe? Yes, this is day 9 of Vlogmas. We have been doing this every day consistently for 9 days. Cheers to that. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. It is a lot of work. But at any rate, today is the day we get things together. Tomorrow I will be out and about. So today I need to go ahead and finish up some things that need to get done and executed within the house today, as well as things that need to get executed for Majestic Knowing Beauty. All right. Oh, this is the result of my hair with the coils. I did put some rods in the front last night, but yep, this is the result, which I actually kind of like because this is more so the shape that I like to wear my hair in. But tomorrow we have a hair appointment. We are going to see Kenya. Yes, I'm so happy. It just so happened yesterday I was on IG and she posted that she had some availability for tomorrow. I said, me. Kenya is always booked and busy, and as a client of hers for what, 4 or 5 years now, if I don't schedule when she opens up her appointments, she opens up her books quarterly. So if I don't schedule when she opens up her books for the quarter, I'm scrambling. I am scrambling, which is why I have so much new growth with my color. But as I mentioned, I'm in another vlog. My color appointment is scheduled in March. So tomorrow we're just gonna go get a maintenance, which I need a trim badly. So we're gonna do a trim and all the things. But don't worry, I'm gonna take you along with me so you can see Kenya. Yes. All right, let's go ahead, head upstairs and do what we have to do and officially get this day started. Let's go. Y'all, this is my messy room that I need to get together. Shoes are out here from Sunday that I need to put up. The ring light that I picked up from Best Buy the other day, I need to open it. My desk is in disarray. I have tripods and things over there that I need to get situated. It's just a hot mess. And my vanity, it is time to get it together. Look at this, brushes that I need to clean. So we're going to tackle this room today, get it organized, back in functioning order. Yes, we are.
Yeah.